All right. Today, for Earth Science, we are going to be doing our Earth Science interactive midterm study quiz. And that is in our Earth Science teams under Files. And we're looking for our midterm quiz 2020. So we're going to download this. And this will be in our download section. So it's in our downloads. So downloads. You can open up the side there and go to it. And you're going to want to copy this from your downloads. And you're going to want to put it in a folder, hopefully you have in your documents folder. A folder for all your Earth Science interactive quizzes that we've been doing this semester. All right, so here it is, midterm study quiz. All right, so studying for the midterm, once again, I said you could, all these quizzes are here. We have the intro quiz 2020. We have the Earth layers quiz. We have the Earth and the universe quiz. We have our mapping quiz. And now we have our midterm quiz. So all of these will help you prepare for the midterm. But what we're going to do today for a grade is our midterm quiz. So I've put that in my documents. And we'll double click on it and open it up. Get rid of that. All right, so once again, here we go. Earth Science Midterm Exam Study Quiz. Midterm Exam Study Quiz. Click on the next button to continue. So there are 300 review questions in here, and you will be randomly selected 30 of them for your quiz. So 30 questions out of 300 will be randomly selected, so it should give you a nice pool of information. All right, here's the first one. Earth's greatest speed of rotation occurs at. All right, so we have the Earth, and it's rotating, and it rotates with the greatest speed. In other words, the entire Earth rotates one full 360-degree circle in 24 hours. That's 15 degrees per hour. Now, if you think about the diameter of the Earth, if you were standing on the North Pole and you were standing right at the axis of rotation and you stood facing, well, you can't face north because you're on the North Pole, but if you stood facing a mountain and the entire Earth rotated around, it would take you 24 hours to spin in one complete circle where you're standing. That's pretty slow if you think about it, right? Now, if you were at the equator, the greatest distance, and you were standing on the equator, in 24 hours, you would go around the entire circumference of the Earth. So that in 24 hours, going around the entire circumference of the Earth is a greater speed than just turning around in 24 hours at the North Pole. So, and the Arctic Circle's small and tropic cancers. So the equator is the greatest distance you would travel in 24 hours. So if you do the diameter or the circumference of the Earth in 24 hours, that's a big distance. So let's check our answers, see if that's correct. Yes, that is correct. All right, so now we just go on to our next question. And you're going to do this for all 30 questions. Remember, this is a midterm study quiz, so it's got all types of things like which area of Earth Science is a mineralogist most likely to belong? Would it be astronomy, geology, meteorology, oceanography? These are all different parts of Earth Science, different subjects within Earth Science. So go ahead, answer all your questions, and then I will show you how to upload your results so that you get graded on it. All right, you can see I got a 93%. I only got 2 wrong. I'm very happy with that. So now I'm going to submit this so that it can go in the grade book. So I'm going to File. I'm going to Print. and I want to print OneNote for Windows 10. OneNote for Windows 10. And then hit print. And you'll see my OneNote will start to blink. See it blinking? And then I click on it. Now I want to make sure I put it in the right place. So this is period 6. So I go my period 6. And I'm going to pick a student like I always do. All right. I'm going to pick a student. And you put this in your quizzes folder. And then you hit OK. And you'll see what happens here. It automatically comes here. And you can see, here it is. I'm going to change the name of this to Midterm Study Quiz. All right, so there you go. I showed you how to download the midterm study quiz. I showed you how to take it so that you get your score. And then when you get your score, I showed you how to upload it to OneNote so that you can get graded on it. Okay? So then you see here it is, a study quiz. It says right on it, midterm exam study quiz. And here's the score. So now you go ahead. Good luck. And remember, you could take as many of these quizzes over again. You can take them as many times as you want to refresh your memory for all the wonderful things that'll be on your midterm this year. So good luck, and good luck on your midterm. See you after midterms are over.